Moving a player is the foundation to every 2D platformer, and some of you have asked me if I could make a simple tutorial about player movement using Unity's old input system. So let's pop up Unity and see where the magic happens. This will be a top-down 2D movement tutorial. I've already set up a small demo scene with a floor, a ceiling, and 2 walls. I've added to them a sprite renderer and a box 2D collider. Okay, let's create a game object called player. We're going to add to the player a box 2D collider and a rigid body 2D. We're going to set the gravity scale to 0 because we don't want gravity to affect the object. And we're going to set the collision detection to continuous and interbleed. We're also going to add a sprite renderer, which we're going to add our art for our player sprite. As you can see, we're going to reset the position so that the position, rotation, and scale are all the default values. We're also going to add our basic script that will control the movement of the object to the player game object. Now let's look at the script. The first thing we do is set a float variable for speed and set that to 10. In the update method, we set a position for vector 3 to transform position. We get the input key for the W key, and we set the position Y to the speed plus the time delta time. We do that for each of the S, D, A positions, specifying the position Y and the position X for each. We then set the position back into the transform position. I still have a lot to learn, but if this solution works for you as well as it does for me, please leave a like and consider subscribing. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time.